In this short video, I'll be showing you exactly how websites optimize for a top Google ranking, and I'll be showing you how to do exactly the same. I will also be sharing with you a certain technique that allows me to know exactly what is needed for a top Google ranking before even setting out to target my keyword. And to achieve such results, I'll be using data provided by none other than Google itself. And for me, a top Google ranking means more traffic, more sales, and more money. And with millions of competing sites out there, but only 10 spots on page 1, then I don't like leaving anything to chance. This is the reason why we will be analysing the top 10 sites that Google themselves are already ranking for our targeted keywords. We will be looking at both on-site and off-site factors to determine exactly what is needed to get on page 1 of Google. In short, when ranking a website, Google looks at various factors. It looks at your content, it looks at who is linking to you, who you're linking to, the kind of text you're using, and many more factors. Only after these factors have been analysed will Google position your website in their search engine. So when analysing what Google is already ranking on page 1 for your targeted keyword and then doing the same, you can be sure that you're building websites destined for page 1 Google rankings. However, analysing websites manually has always required a little skill and can take time. And this is the reason page1Genetics was born. Let's take a closer look. page1Genetics is a lightweight, simple to use application that works with two core scripts. I will start with the first one by entering my keyword I want to rank for and then click Start. For this example, I want to rank for diet recipes. page1Genetics will now query Google, then visit the top 10 pages that Google is ranking for the keyword I want to rank for. It will then analyze the top 10 sites to find out exactly how they have optimized for a page 1 ranking and what Google likes about them. It will query various on-site and off-site factors such as page titles, headings, internal links, the Google PageRank, the social popularity, and so much more. The process usually takes under a minute to complete. Okay, you can now see a snapshot of the top 10 ranking sites for the keyword diet recipes. You can see the Google PageRank, see if the keyword is used in the page title, description, or meta keywords, and you can even see how popular the sites are on social media platforms. But the really juicy data that I'm interested in the most can be found once we have saved the results to a file. The first few fields in the file are the same details as are noted in the user interface. The website URL, Google PageRank, the social signals, and so on. And then we get straight to the on-site factors. We can quickly see the top 10 titles that are being used by sites that are ranking in the top 10 for our targeted keyword. We can see the full meta description and meta keyword. We can see the number of headings and the actual text being used. We can see the number of images with and without alt text. And you can even see what anchor text the sites are using to link internally. We also have information such as the number of external links and the anchor text used, words that have been underlined that are in bold, and even how long the text is on the site. When you have such information in front of you, then it's very easy to see exactly what is needed on our websites in order to be page 1 Google worthy. Having the top 10 ranking sites, titles and descriptions at hand and then creating your own gives you the distinct advantage of knowing what is already working in Google and then doing the same but a little better. The software has just queried Google for our targeted keyword and analysed the top 10 ranking sites. We now have the most important on-site factors at hand, and it done it all in just under 1 minute. This information can also be used to determine exactly how easy or difficult it will be for your site to get to page 1 before even setting out to target your keyword. This is something that I cover further in our members area. But that's only the first script. The second script is where we can really drill down to get a full and clearer picture of exactly what is needed for a top 10 Google ranking. I will start by entering the website URL I would like a full analysis for. For this example, I will enter one of my own sites. The software will now perform a number of tasks and then build a full ranking analysis report. It will query Google, Majestic Seo, Alexa, and various social media sites to pull back all the offsite details we need, along with a complete on-site analysis of the site itself. It takes about 1 minute to complete. Okay, let's take a look at the report. Let me first show you how valuable this information is, and then I will show you how it's possible to customize the branding of the report so that you can offer such reports yourself for your own clients. The top of the report gives a summary about the website, the number of social signals, a screenshot of the site, if it has a robot.txt file or if it has a sitemap.xml file, and if the site has any coding errors. We then have the on-site details such as titles, headings, and other on-site factors that we have already covered. But now we also have a new area called Content Theme. This section shows what the actual theme of the site is about, something I speak more of in the members area. Scrolling down a little further, we can now see Majestic Seo Data. We can see the number of backlinks, the number of referring domains, the trust flow, citation flow, and the number of index URLs. You can actually click on these hyperlinks to go straight to Majestic SEO for further details of the site. The report also shows you the top 10 anchor text used for the backlinks created, and it even shows you the top 5 backlinks themselves. And if we scroll down a little further, we have Alexa details. We can see the global and USA rank, the site's bounce rate, daily page views, time spent on site, and how long it takes to load. And by clicking any one of these links, we can go directly to Alexa with the full site's analysis at hand. And on the final page, we have an area where notes can be added and the report can be customized. Let's take a closer look at the customization features inside of the software. In the settings section, you can add an image that will be used in the PDF report. You can add your name, website URL, email, and your telephone number. And inside of the Generate Report tab, you have a full size "What you see is what you get" text editor for adding notes to the end of the report. So if you was generating an analysis report for a potential client, then you could add various services and prices that you offer, and even add payment buttons linked to PayPal directly on the PDF report itself. Whether it's for your own sites or your client sites, page1Genetics provides vital information that will allow you to know exactly how websites optimize to rank on page 1, what Google likes about these sites, and how you can do exactly the same. It will provide vital details for both on-site and off-site factors for websites that are ranking in the top 10 of Google for your chosen keyword. You'll be able to generate fully customized SEO analysis reports for yourself, for your clients, and your potential clients. In addition to these features, you have the ability to work with up to 10 threads, and in the Analysis tab, you can enter up to 10 websites at a time to pull a report directly from the websites themselves. So if you know who your competition is, then just enter the URLs into the text box field and the software will do its magic and show you exactly what Google likes about them. You will now have all of the on-site optimization and off-site optimization details about your competition at hand. The software also runs whilst minimized. You can select the Google location of your choice, and it also comes with free updates for the full year. You will also get a PDF user guide and video tutorials along with our full email and forum support. I only hope I have clearly demonstrated exactly how powerful this tool is for seeing exactly how the top 10 sites are ranking in Google, and then being in a position to give Google exactly what they want for placing your websites in a favorable position for top Google rankings. So I thank you for your time, and I hope to see you on the inside.